Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about chapter 6 square and square roots. Okay, first we discuss what is the square. Square numbers. Square numbers. If a number m can be expressed as n square where n is also a natural number, then the number m is a square number. For example, 25. 25 we can write as 5 square. 5 square is 25. So we can say that 25 is a square number. It is the square of 5. 81. 81 we can write as 9 square. A number m can be written as square of another natural number n. So m 81 is a square number. Similarly, 576 is a square number because it is the square of 24, and 676 is also a square number. It is the square of 26. Now, the properties of square. We know that 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, and 10 square 100. Okay, if we find the square of any natural number, we get the unit digit 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 1, 4, 9 and 6, and zeros in pair. Two zeros, 1, 2 zeros are in pair. So if we find the square of any number, we get the unit digit 1, 4, 9, 6, 5 or zeros in pair. So if a number whose last digits are 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and zeros in pair are perfect square number. Okay, suppose suppose a question is that what is the unit digit of square of 756. अगर हम इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे 756, तो इसका स्क्वायर करने पे कोई नंबर आएगा, उस नंबर की यूनिट डिजिट क्या होगी. ओके, यूनिट डिजिट यहाँ पर कौन है 6, और 6 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है, देखो 6 स्क्वायर 36. व्हाट इज़ द यूनिट डिजिट 6. सो सारे वो बड़े से बड़ा नंबर जिसकी यूनिट डिजिट अगर 6 है तो उसके स्क्वायर की यूनिट डिजिट क्या होगी 6 होगी. अगर कोई नंबर है, कोई भी नंबर है, उसकी लास्ट डिजिट है 7, यूनिट डिजिट है 7, और अगर हम उस नंबर का स्क्वायर करते हैं तो उसकी स्क्वायर की यूनिट डिजिट क्या हो जाएगी 9, बिकॉज 7 स्क्वायर इज 49 और इसके स्क्वायर में यूनिट डिजिट हो जाएगी 9. इसी तरह कोई भी बड़े से बड़ा नंबर जिसकी लास्ट डिजिट है 9 और हम उसका स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं तो उसके स्क्वायर की यूनिट डिजिट हमेशा क्या होगी 1 होगी. ओके, एंड द नंबर हुज unit digit is 1, 4, 6, 5, 9 and zeros in pair are perfect, maybe perfect square number. Okay, perfect square number is, suppose 9. 9 we can write as 3 square, so 9 is a perfect square number. A number that can be represented as the square of any other natural number is called perfect square number or square number. 36 also a perfect square number because it is the square of 6. Okay, and one more thing, numbers whose unit digit is 2, 3, 7 और 8, वो सारे नंबर्स जिनकी यूनिट डिजिट अगर 2, 3, 7 और 8 कोई भी हो आर नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर. वो नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर्स नहीं होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 32, इट्स यूनिट डिजिट इज 2, सो इट इज़ नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर. 278, unit digit is 8, it is not a perfect square number. 343, unit digit is 3, so it is not a perfect square number. Similarly 576, unit digit is 567, unit digit is 7, so it is not a perfect square number. And 1 lakh, there are 5 zeros, the number of zeros are odd, so it is not a perfect square number. But 10,000, we have zeros in pair, 4 zeros, even number of 0, it is a perfect square number. So the number whose at the whose number of zero having the number of zero odd are not a perfect square number, and 10,000 is a perfect square number because it has zeros in pair, one pair and two pairs are there. Next property is that the square of an even number is always even. Square of an even number is always even. For example, is 4 square. 4 is a even number and its square is 16. Even number 10 square is 100. Even number both are even. 12 an even number and its square is 144. Last digit is 4. It is an even number. Next, the square of an odd number is always odd. For example, 3. 3 is an odd number and its square is 9. 9 is also odd number. 13 square 169. 13 odd number and its square is also an odd number. Next, the sum of consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers. First 1. 1 is the first odd number, so it is equals to 1. If we add 1 added with 3, 1 plus 3, first two odd numbers are there, 1 then 3, they both are consecutive odd numbers starting from 1. So first two odd numbers and their sum is 1 plus 3, 4, and we can write is 4 as 2 square. So sum of first two odd number is 2 square 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5, first three odd numbers, and their sum is 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9. So 9, and 9 we can write as 3 square. 3 square is 9. So it is 1 2 3, first three odd numbers and their sum is 3 square. So we can say that the sum of first n odd numbers is given by n square. For example, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. The consecutive odd numbers starting from 1, and the odd numbers are there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 numbers, so the sum is 8 square. 8 square is 64. So sum of this consecutive 8 odd number is 8 square 64. Answer. Next, numbers between square of two consecutive numbers. Numbers between square of two consecutive numbers. Okay, suppose let two consecutive numbers are n and n plus 1, then the numbers between their square is given by 2n. सपोज कोई दो नंबर है n और सपोज एग्जांपल लेते हैं, हाउ मेनी नंबर्स बिटवीन स्क्वायर ऑफ 12 एंड 13. ओके, देयर आर टू नंबर्स 12 एंड 13 एंड हमें फाइंड करना है इसके स्क्वायर के बीच में कितने नंबर्स हो सकते हैं. ओके, 12 is given by n and 13 is n plus 1. n and n plus 1, two consecutive odd numbers, and the numbers between the square is given by 2n, where n is 12. So number between the square are given by 2n. 2 into 12 24. So there are 24 numbers between the square of 12 and 13. Okay, thank you.